Add 700 gram chicken. Add black pepper and salt. Mix well. Set aside for 30 minutes. Fine 2 medium chopped onion. Fry 5 minutes on medium heat. Fry till onion golden brown color. Add ginger garlic paste. Fry 5 minutes on low heat. Marinated chicken. Fry 3 minutes on high flame. Till the chicken turns white. Add turmeric powder half teaspoon. Add chilli powder half teaspoon. Add coriander powder half teaspoon. Add cumin powder half teaspoon. Fry 5 minutes on medium flame. Add tomato puree. Fry 5 minutes on medium flame. Add half cup curd. Cook 5 minutes on low heat. Cook till oil separated. Add water. Add 2 pieces green chilli. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on medium flame. Add 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Add half teaspoon kasuri methi. Add some coriander leaves. Finally, the delicious food is completed. Well done, guys. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.